Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of age restrictions on social media platforms and apps. Have you ever encountered a sign-up process that halted you due to your age, requiring you to be 13 or older? It's undeniable that social media and online applications have become integral to modern life, especially for young people. These platforms facilitate connection, entertainment, and information sharing. However, the vastness of the internet also exposes users to potential risks, particularly for children. That's precisely why age restrictions are implemented, to provide a layer of protection. Specifically, social media companies establish age limits to shield younger users from various online hazards, including manipulative advertising. Some advertisements are designed to exploit children's susceptibility, employing persuasive tactics to encourage unnecessary purchases. Cyberbullying and online harassment. These negative interactions can have lasting psychological effects. Privacy violations and data exploitation. Social media platforms collect extensive user data, and children may lack the maturity to comprehend the implications of sharing personal information. Exposure to inappropriate content. The internet contains a wide range of content, some of which is unsuitable for young audiences. Age restrictions help filter out potentially harmful material such as graphic violence, explicit content, and misinformation. So, some of you might find your parents or guardians' reluctance to grant unrestricted access to social media frustrating, and the limitations placed on screen time restrictive. However, parental guidance stems from a desire to ensure your safety and promote healthy digital habits. Consider the analogy of learning to ride a bicycle. Parents wouldn't allow a child to descend a steep hill without proper training or safety equipment. Similarly, navigating the complexities of social media or apps requires guidance, education, and preparation. In the meantime, while waiting to reach the required age for certain platforms and apps, explore kid-friendly applications and websites designed with age-appropriate content and safety features. Ultimately, age restrictions on social media are not intended to be punitive. They serve as a protective measure, ensuring that young users are equipped to navigate the digital world safely and responsibly. So this week's question: what are your thoughts on age restrictions? Remember to be critical thinkers and prioritise your online safety. So until next week, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.